everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post a job on Indeed. So this is going to be a very straightforward tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you're going to head over to ph.indeed.com, and then you're going to go to the Indeed for Employer. So you can usually find out if you click on the profile icon right here, or when you see this text, if you're coming from the employee account for Indeed. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to head back. And then from here, you can see this post a job. You're just going to click on that. And then from here, you're going to click on post a job. Now, once you're on that page, you will be taken to this job information page. What you're going to do is you're going to enter your title, the job location type, and what is the job location. So we're just going to fill out all of these details. Now you're also going to add a hiring goal, such as the hiring timeline for the job. Let's say this lasts for more than 4 weeks. We're going to select a number of people that we're going to hire for the next 30 days. Let's say I'm going to need only one, and then we're going to hit on continue. Now from here, we're going to add the job details, whether it's full-time, part-time, permanent, and all that. I'm going to say this is full-time, and I'm also going to accept part-time. So what the expected hours would be, I would say it would be 8 hours per week. Now we're going to click on continue. Now after that, we're going to add the pay and benefits of the job that we are going to post. I would say we can show the pay by range, and then we can add the minimum and then maximum right here. So for example, I'm going to add in 20,000 pesos, and then the maximum would be 30,000 pesos. Now after adding, you can also add some benefits right here. You can just click on it, or you can show more. For example, I'm going to add work from home, where you're going to have pay raise. This has a flex time, flexible schedule, opportunities for promotion, and all that stuff. Next thing is going to hit on continue right here, and then we're just going to add the job description. So I'm just going to add whatever. This is a job description right there, and then we're going to click on continue. But of course, it's going to need a maximum of 30 characters. I'm just going to add some more gibberish and going to click on continue once again. And after that, you're just going to have to review all of the details that you put in here, and then you're going to hit on confirm. Now, once you hit on confirm, you're now going to choose to sponsor this job. You can choose either of the plans, like standard or premium, and then you can also change the amount to this. Now, if you want to be a little bit more flexible, you can just click on switch to a custom budget right here, and then you can add a daily average so that your job can be seen. Now, this is your ad budget, and then you can choose ad duration, whether you want it to run continuously for the 15 days, 30 days, or you can also add a custom end date. Now after that, you're just going to click on save and continue, and that's it. Your job will now be posted on Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.